My colleague missed the deadline again. I'm so angry.
There are 10 levels of anger. Most people only ever use one.
What do you mean? I'm angry. That's it.
Are you? Or is that just the first word that came to mind?
What's the difference?
Let's find out which one you actually are. First time he missed it?
Second time this month.
That's not anger. That's annoyed. Small thing keeps happening.
Yeah, annoyed. Fair.
Can you let it go?
No, it's stuck in my head.
Annoyed is the surface. Bothered is when it won't leave you alone. Did you say anything to him?
Reminded him 3 times. 3 times.
Nothing changed?
Not even close.
That's irritated. You tried to fix it and nothing moved. And now, how's your day going?
It's just affecting everything. My whole mood is completely off.
That's frustrated. You kept trying, it kept not working.
And I am completely done listening to his excuses.
Upset. It's not one moment anymore. It has spread into your whole day.
Fed up is honestly more like it.
Those are two different things. Frustrated is about trying. Fed up is about hitting your limit and staying there.
Yeah, I've definitely hit it.
Did he apologize?
No, acted like it didn't even matter. That actually stings.
That's the shift. Everything before this, annoyed, bothered, irritated, frustrated, upset, fed up, that was about the situation. But acting like it doesn't matter, that's personal. That's offended.
I didn't even realize that's what I was feeling.
Because it feels like the same thing. It's not. What if it happens again?
I'd be furious.
And if he blamed you for it?
Yeah, I'd completely lose it.
Livid. That's the maximum. The point where you say something you can't take back.
I'm not there yet, but I can feel it building.
You walked in saying angry, but look what was actually underneath. Annoyed, bothered, irritated, frustrated, upset, fed up, offended, angry, furious, livid.
Saying it like that, I actually know what's wrong now.
If all you ever say is angry, you don't actually understand what you feel.
I'm going to start noticing this everywhere now.
You already are.